Welcome to Bloomington Today. I'm Emily Taplin. Thanks for joining us. First, we bring you the buzz for the week of May 3rd through the 9th. The City Council takes action aiming to help pollinators. On April 17th, the Council voted to temporarily suspend enforcement of city ordinances related to lawn height so residents can participate in No Mow May. The goal of the initiatives is to allow yards to grow for the month of May, creating a habitat for early season pollinators. This is particularly important in urban areas where floral resources are often limited. City staff work on these efforts all year long. Last fall, park maintenance converted areas of mowed turf to native prairie in 4 parks, adding approximately 9 acres of pollinator habitat. The park maintenance team manages native plantings at 55 sites, totaling 278 acres across the city. Learn about how you can be a part of these efforts by visiting the short link on your screen. Attend the city's Compost Giveaway event Saturday, May 6th. It's happening from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Bloomington Western Maintenance Facility, located at the address on your screen. The city's solid waste team is closing the loop by providing finished compost made from food scraps and other compostable materials collected in the organics recycling program. Residents can take up to 3 bags of compost per vehicle, and households enrolled in the city's residential organics recycling program can take home an extra bonus bag as a thank you for diverting food scraps and other compostables from the garbage. Bloomington Police Officer Desmond Daniels is the Bloomington Optimist Club's 2023 Officer of the Year and the recipient of the Respect for the Law Award. Officer Daniels has been a police officer for 16 years and with the city since 2019. He's a co-leader of the Bloomington Police Department's Racial Equity Action Team. As one of the program's leaders, Officer Daniels helped organize a community gathering for police officers and residents of a local apartment complex that gets calls regularly for service. Officer Daniels says one of his favorite things about his job is connecting with the community. He feels it's important for police and community members to see each other outside of times 911 is called. Congratulations, Officer Daniels. A new project aiming to make health services more accessible to residents hits the pavement. An open house was recently held for the new mobile health hub at Bloomington Public Health.
The services we know we are going to provide, we're still open to ideas, are immunizations, so typical regular childhood vaccines, adult vaccines, as well as flu shots. We also plan to provide WIC appointments, so the nutrition education for women, infant, and children. But then we also hope to be doing maybe some community health surveys, and we just talked with some school districts about some great programming possibilities that we could help them with.
It's really colorful, so you won't miss it for sure. It's super nice inside. I like how there's like the dividers so that you get privacy, and also like the little section for like little babies and infants. They literally have everything. You have like AC in there. It's so nice, and you have like little toys for the kids. So yeah, it's really nice.
I think the goal they will be really good because you're thinking in those communities who doesn't have right to be able to come in to far away. For example, people who live in Bloomington and Richfield, it is kind of like hard to come to here. It's really a hard time. But with this idea, you will be really successful. Others that is I like it. This great idea you have in mind for those communities.
Our public health mission is to protect, improve, and promote the health of all in community, and we just want to get out to where people are at. We know that people can't always get to us, so that's the plan.
The mobile health hub was purchased with American Rescue Plan Act funds. Get your questions about end-of-life and hospice care answered. The End of Life and Hospice Care Conference will take place Thursday, May 11th from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Bloomington Civic Plaza. It's being hosted by Bloomington Public Health and a number of other community partners. It's free to attend with registration. To see the full schedule, view keynote speakers, and more, visit the link on your screen. A reminder so you don't risk having a gap in your health insurance. If you have medical assistance or Minnesota Care, your insurance needs to be renewed this year. Watch for a packet in the mail with information on how to check your eligibility and renew your insurance. If you've moved in the past 3 years, be sure to update your contact information. Just follow the link on your screen. That is the buzz on Bloomington Today for the week of May 3rd through the 9th. If you would like to watch other stories from the show, go to this week's playlist. There you'll find an update on the progress of a small business development center in Bloomington, plus a tour of the latest Inez Greenberg Gallery exhibit presented by Artistry. Thanks for watching.